Unzipping the meaning of zip up. Hello dear learners. Today, we are going to dive deep into the English language and unravel the meaning and usage of the phrase, zip up. By the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. Zip up is commonly used in English to refer to the action of closing something using a zipper. This phrase is most often associated with clothing items like jackets, hoodies, and bags. For example, it's cold outside. Make sure to zip up your jacket before you leave. I can't find my keys. Did I zip up my bag after I took them out? Sometimes, zip up can be used in a figurative manner to imply keeping something closed or not speaking about a particular topic. Example, can you keep a secret? You have to zip up about this surprise party we're planning. In this case, zip up is not about physically using a zipper, but rather about keeping one's mouth closed and not revealing a secret. Many learners might confuse zip up with just zip. While both can be used interchangeably in some situations, zip can also mean to move quickly. For instance, I saw him zip past the window. Here, zip means to move swiftly. It's important to understand the context in which the word or phrase is being used to determine its correct meaning. And that's a wrap on zip up. Whether you're talking about securing your clothes or keeping a juicy secret, now you know how to use it correctly. Practice is the key, so try to use zip up in your daily conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, keep zipping through your English language journey.